What's up, guys? It's Daily Tech and How To. So glad you're here with this video. Make sure to please like and subscribe, and just trying to get that, just trying to get the numbers high enough once you start this channel, so that way we can finally get up. We can start. We can get a join button in for you. You can get more daily tech videos and more more how-tos. So today we're going to be teaching you guys how to use Zoom. So normally there should be a new meeting thing right here, but I just created a meeting for privacy reasons. And so yeah, so if you want to go download Zoom, you go to zoom.us. It's right up there in the screen right here. I'm currently using the Zoom app, and then so once you click that join meeting, you should see something that says join with audio. And yeah. So now once you figure out how to like join with audio and stuff like that, now you're getting to the actual Zoom stuff. So now you're wondering, how do you get people to join your Zoom meeting? Okay, so you click down here, manage participants. You can click invite. Okay. Then once you click, then you can either go to your contacts or you can email them to Gmail or Yahoo. But if you're like in a text group and you're using like your computer or something and it's not linked, I strongly suggest copying down that code and the password, because that lets people join to your meeting, which makes it pretty secure. And then the next thing that you do is to once they're in, they should see a like people at like your doorbell, or you're at your waiting room, and then you should hear like a little doorbell sound. Then you can just click invite them in. But if, let's say, you posted some like a Zoom meet on stream, like you can also like remove them from the invite so they can't get in, which means that you don't have any like unwanted people coming into your meeting. Now you also have the security tab down here. You can enable waiting room, allow participants to. You can also like change what participants want to do. So if participants don't want to share the screen, I can just click share screen off for participants, and now I can show you how to share screen right there. So so again, I'm just gonna go keep that. Oops, sorry about that. There, I'm just gonna go move that up into the corner right there so you can always see it. Sorry about that movement, but now so I'm just gonna go teach you guys how to do the basics of screen share. So your first step, what you want to do if you want to share the screen on your phone, you're just gonna go close notifications. Okay, now that you have your phone screen open, it's teach you how to share your screen. Now you can do screen 1 or screen 2, which is my recording, whiteboard, iPhone, iPad, and then you can also choose what different kind of tab that you want to share your screen with. So let's just start off with the basic whiteboard. Okay, share. Now that you're sharing a whiteboard, you can draw on it. You can eraser. Okay, so I'm gonna go teach you guys how to do the basic stuff with a whiteboard. So text, you click the text thing, and then you just put your cursor down there, create the text box, and you drag these circles to make you how to put text up there, and you can just do hi. Simple as that. Then you can also change color, make it white, I'll erase it, purple, red. I'll just keep it at red for right now. Now for the draw feature, once you click on it, then you're gonna click one of these things down here. What do you want to draw? So I'm just gonna go draw a tiny little line. Now I'm just using my mouse, and if you have a touch screen like me, you can also do a touch screen. Little fishy in a box right there. Now stamps, basically all you gotta do is just click on the stamp. Then once you have the arrow stamp, you just place it. Then you can place as many arrows as you want. So if you're sharing your screen, you can do this with all the stuff. I just wanted to show you guys with the simplest stuff with the whiteboard. And now you just click or tap, and then it puts it right up on there. And you can also do X's and other stuff, and now all you gotta do is just select it down there. If you want to draw, you can draw like keyboards, and you can stretch out stuff like that, and you can just draw little boxes that will like shade it. So yeah, and if you want to delete something, you just simply just select it, and or double. Actually, you can just double. These boxes, once you select it, you just click delete. Or the easier way for most people is just to erase it. Then you can just drag it all over here. So, okay, now that we're done teaching that, then that's just the color, undo, redo, and you can also click that clear all my drawings, clear all drawings, clear my drawings, clear view of drawings. Then you could also save this, and then when you're done, you can just click that stop share button, and now you go back to your screen. So to do your chat, you can share everything else, and you can just do to everyone in meeting. Then once you have more people, you should see just their options privately. You can share files right there. You can also more participant can chat with, and you can control who they can chat with. No one, host only, everyone publicly and privately. So now if you want to chat, you simply just type whatever you want. Hi guys, and then you click enter to let it go through, and other people should see it light up on their screen. Now if you also want to record this meeting, you just click record. Stop recording or pause. You can pause the recording, but basically you're just recording the Zoom meeting. So if it's like a lecture, and you want to record it, so you can go back to it, you can just click that record button, and then you can pause the recording right here, and you can just stop it right there. It'll be recorded to an MP4 file when the meeting ends. Okay, so thank you for watching. Now, you guys know the basics of Zoom. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to go check out Zoom and download it for yourself, remember there's the link in the corner, which is going to be right up in the top of the screen. Right now, you got zoom.us. That is the that's all you need to do. Just go to your web browser and type in zoom.us or www.zoom.us, and that's all you need to do. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, and please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And goodbye.